This is our number 7 nylon waterproof long chain with TPU fill and the wave pattern. In one transparent bag, we pull 200 yards inside, and some customer requested us to pull 200 meters instead of 200 yards. So you can see it's a very clean, very good quality. For this way is about 23 grams per yard. So for one carton is with 6 rolls. So in one carton, we pull 1,200 yards inside, and the carton size for the length is 54 cm, and for the widers is 47 cm. For the height is 32 cm. So if you want to get more details about our packing, you are welcome to chat with us.